soggier compared to the second half. We're not going to completely ditch the rain, but at times this afternoon you may see just a few more breaks in rain coverage, allowing for us to get outside and try to enjoy some milder conditions. So at this hour, widespread rain continues through the area. If you're not seeing rain at this moment, you likely will as we head through the rest of the morning. At times, locally heavy rainfall is possible, but no rumbles of thunder. This is just some pretty beneficial rain as we're still combating drought conditions. Now, there's still a lot more rain back to the west, and that's what's going to continue to push through as we head through the rest of the day. So widespread rain for now, becoming off and on through the afternoon, but even into tonight and tomorrow, a chance for some moisture to move through the area. This system is slow going. Temperatures holding in the low 40s, a few are in the upper 30s. Notice how Mount LeConte's down to the freezing mark though. Higher elevations of the Smokies have a window this morning of seeing some wintry mix and some plain snow, but then once we really get past sunrise, temperatures even there will warm above the freezing mark. But a better chance for snow comes into play late tonight and through the day tomorrow. So for today, soggiest first half of the day, still have rain around through the afternoon and areas of mist and drizzle will be possible, but temperatures will be able to get to around 50 degrees even with the clouds around. So we have the rain pushing through right now. Here's 11 a.m., seeing more spottier coverage in the rain, and that will continue through the afternoon, but notice how the clouds stick around. 4 o'clock here, we'll start to see more scattered showers develop as we head into the night. Overall, rain light to becoming steady at times. Even through tonight, we'll still have some rain around, but notice already that changeover back to the west to a wintry mix and some snow. That's the colder air moving in. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Notice widespread snow across the area, but overall, snow is going to be light for most of us and not lead to major travel impacts, just because, remember, making a run towards 50 today, so the roads are going to be pretty warm. Here's midday tomorrow, still seeing snow showers around, especially for the higher elevations. Coverage becomes a bit more spotty right through the afternoon, and then things wind down as we head into Sunday night. So rain today, but a chance for some snow tomorrow. Let me show you the road temperatures. So by tonight, we're still above the freezing mark, so we're not going to see much in the way of accumulation on the roadways. Early tomorrow morning, there's a brief window where we may dip below the freezing mark across the plateau into southeast Kentucky. That will give us a chance of maybe seeing a light coating on the roadways. Keep that in mind, especially early in the morning, but then we will see temperatures warm above the freezing mark through the afternoon, and then once they get below that mark once again, we're already starting to see the moisture wrap up. So for snowfall estimates, really for the valley, it's less than an inch. For the most part, it's on cooler surfaces, but into southeast Kentucky, we could see 1 to potentially upwards of 2 inches of snow. Have to go up in elevation though. Higher elevations of Harlan County, higher elevations of the Smokies, we could see 3 to 5 inches with some locally higher amounts for the peaks. So some snow moving through the area, but not expecting major impacts just because, again, it's mainly going to be on those cooler surfaces, grass, and the mulch beds. The main story is going to be the cooler conditions. So for early next week, we'll have morning lows down into the teens. Some will be in the single digits. There is going to be about 90 hours where we stay below the freezing mark. We finally start to see some warmer conditions by the end of the week.